Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quick pickled onions, Joshua Weissman style. First, gather your simple ingredients: red onions, vinegar, sugar, and salt. You'll also need a clean, heat-proof jar. Begin by thinly slicing your red onions, aiming for consistent pieces. This initial preparation is key for even pickling and a great texture. Get ready for a flavorful addition to many dishes. Next, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine water, your chosen vinegar, sugar, and salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. You don't need to boil it vigorously. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding whole peppercorns, a bay leaf, or even some chili flakes to the brine. This step is crucial for infusing your onions with that signature tangy taste. Now for the exciting part. Carefully pour the hot brine directly over your thinly sliced onions in the heat-proof jar. Make sure all the onion slices are fully submerged in the liquid. This ensures even pickling. Once the brine is added, seal the jar. Let it sit on your counter and cool completely to room temperature. This cooling period allows the flavors to meld beautifully before refrigeration. Once cooled, your quick pickled onions are ready to enjoy. Store them in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. These vibrant, tangy onions are incredibly versatile. They're fantastic on tacos, burgers, salads, or even as a bright addition to a cheese board. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pickled onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.